Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to ditch our factory turn signals and get us some new updated ones. If you're looking to update the front end of your JK Wrangler, then today we're going to be installing a set of these smoke DRL turn signals onto our 2012 JK Wrangler. These turn signals feature a smoked lens as well as an anti-flicker harness that it won't trip up any of your sensors inside your Jeep. These won't hyperflash, and they're going to look great on the front end by allowing you to have a white halo around the edge and an amber turn signal in the center. They simply plug and play in with only one wire that needs to be attached to a positive to make that halo work. We're going to get them installed on our 2012 JK Wrangler, which is already equipped with some halos in the headlights, and see how they match up. First step is to ditch these factory turn signals, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to pull the grill out right towards us, like that. Twist the light behind there counterclockwise, and just pull that out. And then we're going to release the little tabs. Now you won't be able to see it. I'll show you how they release as soon as I get it pulled out. Now to release these, all you have to do is give them light pressure on each one. I do one at a time, and then you can see in there they actually pull right out. In order to get the halo to work, you tap this red wire into the white with the gray marker stripe on it. That's going to be the running lights for when you have them on. So since we're just doing this for an install right now, we're going to be pulling them off. I'm not going to do that. I'll show you what they look like by hooking this up to the battery. But we're going to go ahead and connect this light. Make sure you put it in the right way. And there you go. It's a nice and tight fit. I'm going to tuck the red wire back here and also the anti-flicker. This is going to prevent any hyperflashing inside the cab. Get everything back through there and get it all tucked away nicely. And we'll get this clipped right in. The DOT SAE logo is going to be at the bottom. You can barely see it unless you have it up close. Tuck the wires up back behind here, and now we'll turn it on and see how it looks. Turn signals are on. As you can see, I've got the 4-ways on just to test them out. They look really awesome. Now I'm going to go in and turn those off and see what that halo looks like by just connecting it to a DeWalt battery. We've got them wired up into our daytime running light. We just tapped into that wire like I said before, and as you can see, the halos look pretty cool on this thing. It's only going to light up with the halos as the daytime running light, and then when you go for the turn signals, they'll light up amber. We've got both sides installed. Let's turn them on and see how they look. Gives a really clean look with that other halo in the headlights. Honestly, I'm really digging it. Even with the smoke, they're extremely bright. They look pretty cool. Let's turn on the 4-ways and see how those turned out. So there's the 4-ways with the daytime running lights on. Now we'll turn the daytime running lights off. As you can see, it all still works. Button all the wiring up, properly set your grill back in, that install is complete. We just wrapped up the install of these smoke daytime running light turn signals on my JK, and they match these headlights perfectly. This is a really awesome turn signal, and the install time is about 30 minutes. You only have to wire in one extra wire to get that halo to work. All the turn signals, everything is LED now. It really modernizes the front of the Jeep. Plus you got an anti-flicker, so it's not going to cause any issues on the dash or make them flash quickly. Now you can find these turn signals as well as a clear version right here at cjponyparts.com. Hope you enjoyed that video. To stay up to date on our CJ Off-Road videos, make sure to subscribe up top here, and for any other installs, make sure to click the link right above.